Hola, mi nombre Schumann. Right. I don't know how to do all this in Spanish yet, so you want to hit the group information, click the link. This is how to schedule classes. We are going to hit class. We have 3 verse 3 class. We need 1 bilingual, 1 English, 1 Spanish. But we can have dos, dos, and dos. So class, we do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, any weekday. Let's just say today Friday, we do Friday. The time, so it'll be in PST time. We need at least 1 bilingual teacher in the Spanish and Espanol, at least 1 English, and 1 Espanol. We can have dos, 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 or uno, uno, uno. Over here, the panel, we can have dos, cinco, cinco, or uno, 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 or any combination. And it's the same thing. We pick the host. We need a host of the panel, preferably bilingual, to host. Someone that needs hours, day of the week, time, and a bilingual, English, Espanol. And that's how we set up the classes. I'm just going to delete these. That's this tab right here, class. And then we have translation. We put mi nombre es Schumann. ¿Cómo está? How you doing? You just type in the yellow boxes, which is yellow.